Uyg'ur sudi haqida vari qilganlarni bir xotirlab qo'yay deb bu programmamni ishildim. Oldi bilan Xitoy tarafdan kelayotgan hamda Xitoyninki yollab olgan oq maymun, ya'ni oq taliklarni ishga silib Uyg'ur sudiga qarata qarshi fikr bayonotlarni bergan Uyg'ur sudini qarlagan shularni oldi bilan bir qo'r ko'rib chiqaylik. Anandan keyin o'zimizniki Uyg'urlarninki ichida Uyg'ur sudiga qarata qarshi fikrda ancha-muncha gap qo'yganlarning birdan misolga
There has been so much fabrication.
I was in John once. It's a very interesting place.
Over the years, media professionals and international organizations have put the lie to accusations that China has committed genocide against the Uyghurs and other ethnic minority groups. But in the latest anti-China study, the tribunal was set up in Britain that claims it's conducting independent investigations over the genocide accusations.
The British media is hyping this as a verdict against China.
This is Victor Gao, chairman of Yale Law School Association in China. We asked him how much attention this tribunal attracts and why media are interested in reporting on it.
The Uyghur Tribunal is not a court. If it is a court, it is a kangaroo court. It does not have the legitimacy or the legality of operation as a court. It does not represent the people of the Uyghur, who are a very proud ethnic group in China. We consider the Uyghurs our brothers and sisters. And this tribunal is truly an anti-China instrument being manipulated by forces which have very evil designs against China.
I searched the tribunal website and it is literally on its website. You've never seen it. It's unprecedented. It said it is constituted as a UK private company limited by guarantee, which means it is not a judicial body at all. It is just a private company whose name is Uyghur Tribunal.
We also talked with Fernando Munoz, a popular YouTuber who often shares his insights into Xinjiang issues.
This tribunal has absolutely no power. It was established in the UK as a private company limited by guarantee. Private companies limited by guarantee are generally applicable to societies or charities or things like that in the UK. In other words, this organization has nothing to do with the law itself.
The Uyghur Tribunal is an illegal organization because it does not meet the requirement for the establishment of this kind of legal organizations as stipulated in 2011 Charity Act of the UK.
This means, for example, that witnesses can give testimony without risk of perjury or without any consequence for lying.
They want to manipulate the situation in Xinjiang, try to falsify the situation in Xinjiang, and misrepresent the whole situation in Xinjiang. And they cannot have real evidences, and any force to be associated with this tribunal will again expose themselves for their indecency and lack of credibility.
On its website, Uyghur Tribunal said part of its initial funding of $115,000 was from the World Uyghur Congress.
One thing is for sure, the tribunal is owned by the World Uyghur Congress.
The World Uyghur Congress is a separatist group with links to terrorism, as classified by the Chinese government. And the group is backed by the US government with NED funding about $1.3 million over the past 5 years. So it is nothing but a manipulative, non-governmental organization run to make money.
We all know that the NED funds the World Uyghur Congress, and the NED is literally just another branch of the US State Department.
Western media have given this tribunal a ton of publicity. How is it supposed to help Uyghurs?
Western media may be very much mobilized in giving as much attention to the tribunal as possible, but what can they do? If they taint their own reputation and destroy their own reputation as serious journalism, then they suffer the consequences. People will know for sure that they are not reporting the real situation in Xinjiang. And if they want to hold themselves as accomplices to this kangaroo court, be my guest. They cannot move the mountains in China.
All the evidence is
Accusations
from
and
the Chinese
refutations may continue, but evidence is what matters. There is no prospect such tribunal could deliver justice.
我们录到这个视频录到了23:03你懂的。所以我们 Facebook、Twitter
CD and follow us on Twitter.
Байкөгенала şu Xitay tarapınki Uyghur sotunu qarlap arqaysi government officials chiqib so'zlaganlari va bir qism aqtalliklarni o'tirg'i chiqib men o'zim Xinjiang degan yerga borgan undaq ish yo'q undaq degandek shunday gaplar orqali tashviqotlarni to'xtatmay qolgan amdi bizniki o'zimizniki Uyg'urlarniki ichida shundoq Uyg'ur soti haqida ba'zi bir qarshi fikr hatto nima deymiz o'tgan yili esimda qilishcha bir videoni ko'rsam o'tgan yil chiqargan videodami Avstraliyadan bir qarindishimiz o'tirib chiqib baribir Xitoy bunga baribir inkos bildirmaydi degandek bir gaplarni qilib ishlagan videolarni ko'rgan uningki yaqindami yana boshqacha Xitoy bayonotchilarininki degan gaplar bilan o'xshash tarjimasi shundoq uyg'urcha qilgan bir qism uyg'urlarmi chiqdi. Shuncha ala qarshiliklarga qaramay bugun 2021 yili 12 oyning 9 kuni Uyg'ur sotininki qonuniy asosiy bor hukm oxir e'lon qilindi. Ya'ni uzun yillik har qaysi davlatlardagi Uyg'ur faoliyatchilarining uzun yillik to'xtamay ovozini dunyoga anglatishining natijasi hamda bizniki bir qism organization tashkilotlarimizniki tirishchanlik ko'rsatib arxivlashtirib adliya Uyg'ur elittirib mau nahmaydan programmamni mushu yana bir video bilan oxirlashtiray. Bu sotning hukmniki mushundaq chiqishi xalqimizningki ahuzarlari bevositla shu videoni o'zi bilan oxirlashtiray. Uyg'ur sotini qarlayotgan hamda dunyo Uyg'ur qurultayiniki qilayotgan ish amgaklariga qarshi fikrlarda bo'layotgan hatto o'zininki onasi bor, ayoli bor, qizlari bor kishilarninki shundoq dunyo Uyg'ur qurultayini qo'llovchi Uyg'ur soti qarta to'g'ri fikrlarni qilib qo'llab keng tashviqotlarga hamdamda bo'lgan shu Uyg'ur xonim qizlarni har og'zi sat gaplar bilan tillagan shularga qarta meniki bir deydigan bir gaplarim bordi. Bu dunyo o'tni dunyo. O'zinglar nima qilgan bo'lsanglar shu o'zinglarga yonadi. Yolg'onchilik qilib haqorat qilgan bo'lsanglarmi o'zinglarga yonadi. O'z og'zinglar bilan shundoq o'zinglarni o'zinglar rasvo qilasizlar. Shunga to'g'ri yo'lda meni to'g'ri fikrlarni qo'llab birlik, ittifoqlik hamda muhim yolg'on yo'q gaplarni to'qishlarni tuhmat qilishlarni tashlab hammamiz birlikda uyushib yanamo davomliq o'zimizniki mustaqil bir davlatimiz bo'lishga o'zimizga bir kishilik hassini chiqaraylik, hassimizni qo'shaylik. Yanamo to'xtanglar. Norvegiya Uyg'ur yoshlariniki komiteti Shun bevosita ko'pchilik bilan birlikda anglab o'qidim Nahmaydan programmamni oxirlashtiray.
Assalomu alaykum bütün dünya tumanı qarindoshlar. Uyg'ur adliya arxiv birligi barliq qarindoshlardan sizlarga o'tliq salom. Bugun biz Angliyaning London shahrida yana Uyg'ur sud mahkamasida turib, qaysilarga o'zimizniki qalb sadosini oltiribmiz. Bir yildan ortiq qattiq tirishchilikdagi bugun oxiri Uyg'ur sudiniki Uyg'urlarga qarata Xitoyning insoniyatga qarshi jinoyat o'tkazganligi va irqiy qirg'inchilikqa bog'liq to'g'ri sud hukmini oxiri chiqadi. Butun dunyodagi barliq qarindoshlar bundan g'oyat mamnun bo'ldi deb qaraymiz. Demak, Uyg'ur adliya arxivlarininki 4 yildan beri yig'ayotgan guvohliklari, bizning qarindoshlarımızın bizga bergan guvohliklari, lager shahidlari va bu Uyg'ur sotiga yordam qilgan barliq tarjimon qarindoshlarniki, Uyg'ur akademik barliq qarindoshlarniki, bizga moddiy ma'naviy jihatdan yordam qilgan barliq qarindoshlarniki jafoliq tabiiyki oxiri mo'lsonlik natija berdi. Uyg'urlar kutgan natijasini oxiri qonuniy jihatga bir asosni bizga topshirib oldi. Bu sababli bizga Uyg'ur adliya arxivlariga guvohlik bergan barliq qarindoshlarga chuqur minnatdorligimizni bildiramiz. Shundaqla Uyg'ur sotiga tashkillab, bu sotniki mavjud chiqishiga kuch chiqargan Dunyo Uyg'ur soti rahbarlariga tashakkurimizni bildiramiz. Oxirida mushu sot va bundan keyingi irqiy qirg'inchilik sotlari uchun guvohlik bergan qarindoshlarga ham guvohlik bergan qarindoshlarga minnatdorligimizni bildiramiz. Bu sot tunji qatimli sot. Bundan keyingi xalqaro sot, xalqaro irqiy qirg'inchilik soti qatorli sotlar bundan keyin davom etmoqda. Biz xizmatimizda to'xtatib qo'ymaymiz. Bizga ishongan, bizniki xizmatlarimizga yaqindan ko'ngil bo'lgan qarindoshlarga rahmatimizni bildiramiz. Bundan keyingi xizmatimiz bu texnik jafoliq bo'ldi. Texnik ko'p guvohliklarga Uyg'urlar Uyg'ur adliya arxivlari muhtoj. Shunga barliq qarindoshlarniki jamiyatdagi o'sak so'zlarga pishni fasodlarga ishonmay, o'z urug' tuqqanlariga chiqishni, bundan keyin texnik cho'ntirib Uyg'ur davosini qo'llashni, bundan keyin elib berilgan xalqaro sot va boshqa sotlarga elib borgan xizmatlarimizni qo'llab, bizga yaqindan moslashishni va bizga davomli guvohlik berishni umid qilamiz. Hammaga rahmat, bugun kunlar xush vaqt bo'lsin.
Allah razı olsun xizmat ustidagi barliq shu qarindoshlarga. Sizlarga ko'p minnatdorligimizni bildiramiz. Hamda davomli qo'llaymiz. Ishlaringlar o'ngishli bo'lsin. Ko'pchilik hammadan sizlarga rahmat. Hammalar birlikda uyushib o'rtaq bir nishon bilan kurash qilaylik. Yana bir qatim hammalarga muborak bo'lsin. Allohga omonat.